Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing LCX, Transformative Year Ahead. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe. And for that, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3,000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of LCX at the time of the recording, and let's see what it has been up to. After a while, guys, after a long time, we're finally gaining some momentum over here, guys. LCX is up 8.25% for the day, guys. You can see that it went from all the way from almost 17.5 cents, and it went to towards the 20-cent mark, almost 19.5 cents. It is on its way to reclaiming that 20-cent mark. Let's hope it does it sooner rather than later. But the volume is a bit down, 3.86%. The 24-hour volume. What is the volume at the moment? 1.49, 1.53. What was it before? So yeah, it went as high as almost $2 million, guys. So let's hope that the momentum continues, because guys, in the last 7 days as well, LCX is in the green. It went all the way from almost 14 cents towards the 20-cent mark. It is on its way up after this huge dip towards the downside, this huge correction, guys. Although in comparison to a lot of projects that I know, guys, LCX has remained intact in comparison to a lot of them. You guys can see that they're early as well, that it has remained intact, and although it basically did a huge move up, guys, all the way almost 10x, guys, this correction was bound. And after touching these almost these support levels, yeah, the support level, it just ticked, it just touched it or poked it, and it is back on its way back up. Let's hope it goes back with momentum and tests the yearly highs, and from there on forward, my prediction, guys, I told you that it will go on and test its all-time highs. I do not know whether it will happen this year, next year, but I really believe that it will happen. Not financial advisor, obviously, guys. I will be surprised basically if it doesn't happen, guys. So check this out. LCX is taking the lead again. This time it has confirmed its support at 13.5 cent, and is progressing towards our next target of 34 cents with a substantial volume surge, expecting Bitcoin to remain bullish alongside. We've tracked 520% gains during the previous rally, guys. So if it does anything similar to that, then we're in for a really good ride, guys. Because LCX is fundamentally strong, guys. Let me share with you this post, which was reposted by the CEO of LCX, Mr. Monty Metzger, CEO and founder of LCX. So check this out, guys. This is Patrick Hansen, July 2nd. With MiCA entering into application this year, expect a transformative year ahead for EU crypto market. And when we talk about EU, we will definitely talk about LCX, guys, because it has licenses all over the board. It is basically on its way to rub shoulders with MiCA, basically be MiCA compliant. Together with D Party, we wrote a short article outlining what to expect and how MICA will likely impact the crypto market structure. Guys, we have associated MICA with LCX time and again, and we all know that when regulations take place, when the digital assets regulation take place in Europe, LCX is one of the projects that is going to be benefiting the most from it, guys. And it will impact the crypto market structure positively when it comes to LCX, especially, guys. So check this out. The EU market is projected to localize, institutionalize, professionalize, and likely consolidate after this. Guys, EU is one of the financial hubs in the throughout in the globe, guys. So one of the best part of LCX is that it is basically functioning from Liechtenstein, and it is totally licensed, it is totally regulated, and we know a lot of popular exchanges, guys. We won't take names, but a lot of interesting projects, exchanges, and huge players are not regulated, they're not abiding by the law, they're not abiding by the book. LCX is really keen on regulation. I'm going to be sharing with you even the bio of its founder, guys. The first word that we see here is regulated. This is how much he believes in regulation, compliance, abiding by the law, abiding by the rules. So check this out. First and foremost, it is going to localize, institutionalize, professionalize, and likely consolidate the EU market. Secondly, guys, the stablecoin offerings, both local and global, will either comply or ultimately vanish from the EU market in the short to mid-term, as evidenced by recent announcements from exchanges. By the way, guys, I read somewhere that LCX is one of the only exchanges that legally provides USDT for trading and other purposes. I might be wrong. I think that it is in Europe. It is the only regulated exchange. So if I'm wrong, correct me. We expect increased growth and competition for euro-denominated stablecoins. Foreign unregulated exchanges will face significant restrictions. This is what I was talking about, guys, due to compliance and other factors, guys, making it exceedingly difficult, if not impossible, to operate on a reverse solicitation basis. A substantial portion of MICA's implementation work still lies ahead of us, and only its practical success will matter in a few years. Guys, this is correct. We have to wait a few years, if not decades, a decade or a 2 decade for the full implementation of the new financial structure, the one that is regulated, the one that basically abides by the law, in which the projects that basically function in a clear manner, in a transparent manner, they're going to be succeeding. Let's see if it happens or not. I'm in this right with you guys as well. So we have to see it in a few years from now. The longer the regulatory vacuum for crypto persists in the US and UK as two key jurisdictions, the greater the global impact of MICA standards is likely to be. Is MICA the new GDPR with a global impact? Guys, it might be because we haven't seen a lot of standards, a lot of rule books when it comes to digital assets and all of that stuff. So MICA might become the standard for future prospects as well, future governments, future organizations as well, future states such as United Nations, which is going through a really tough phase when it comes to digital assets. It is finding it hard to create a proper framework for it. Doesn't know what to do, so it might set a benchmark, a standard, guys. So check this out. See the full blog post linked below for more. MICA, Europe's new crypto regulations will transform markets. So do you think will it transform markets, and will it be a transformative year for LCX in the process, because it is basically rising at the moment as well. Let's see what the community has to say about LCX. So check this out, guys. This is Reese Halandro. Babes, I'm seeing a lot more people posting about LCX and ABT, almost like we fucking know what we're talking about. ADA snorkeling during this pump, and we're at max length and girth. It is over. So sorry for the F word over here, but this is the excitement that the LCX community is feeling, guys. It honestly blows my mind that folks don't have the foresight to see how big the potential is for LCX, guys. People are talking about double digit billions and beyond, guys. So let's see if it lives up to the hype. All the brokies who sold when seen red to now green. Aleph, ABT, LCX, Math. Crypto is back, and it looks like LCX is breaking 20 cents again. Will we get to 50 cents till September? So this is what I'm talking about when the people, the community are really bullish. They think that 50 cents and beyond might come this September, maybe this year. So it might indeed be a transformative year for LCX, but we have to see it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So let's see the comments as well. Prince of LCX is always bullish about LCX, providing insights. We had covered this chart, this graphic in a past video as well. There might be a new chart here as well, I think. So we might cover it in the next video. Yeah, I think this one is new. I have forgotten which graphic I shared. Anyways, now let us look into the comments. What the people are saying. Will the 50 cent be broken? We will be at $1 or higher in 2024. Oh my god, he's really bullish, Uncle Low, of course, and beyond, and beyond. Okay, 50 by August, 50 cents is doable till September. I do think so. More, $1 by September. So guys, what do you guys think about LCX? Is it going to be a transformative year indeed for LCX? I would really like your opinion. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.